Consider the following time series data, and we're going to use Minitab to do a time series decomposition for this data set. And we'll set that up by selecting Stat Time Series Decomposition, and then in the box labeled Variable we're going to select the name of the time series variable, which I've simply called Y. The seasonal length is 4 because there are 4 quarters. The model type is multiplicative. Model components, we're going to select trend plus seasonal, and then we're going to do 4 forecasts starting 12 periods from the origin. So that will be forecasts for the 4 quarters in year 4. This is the plot that results after we do this. We can see the actual data are the blue points. We can clearly see the seasonality and the trend. The fitted values from the model are the red points, and we can see that we can get fairly close to the actual data using this multiplicative model. The trend is shown by the green points, so that tracks the upward linear trend in the data, and then the forecasts for year 4 are shown by the purple points. That trend that we can see in the graph is represented by this equation. So y hat at time t is equal to 2.424 plus 0.4216 times t. And then the seasonal indices that we can find in Minitab are 1.20501 for quarter 1, 0.74622 for quarter 2, and so on. And remember, these are multiplicative indices. So this is how we use that information to make forecasts of revenue in year 4. So for the first quarter in year 4, first of all we calculate the trend, so 2.424 plus 0.4216 times t, and t represents the period, which will be 13 for this quarter 1 in year 4. And if we calculate that out, we get 7.9, and then if we multiply that by the seasonal index for quarter 1, which is 1.20501, and that's what gives us the 9.5241 as the forecast revenue for year 4 quarter 1. And then similarly we can obtain the other 3 quarter forecasts for year 4.